Diane went to the bookshop in order to get a signed copy of the famous author's new book. Diane went to the bookshop so as to get a signed copy of the famous author's new book.
James will use his credit card so that he can buy some books he needs. James will use his credit card in order that he can buy some books he needs.
I went online so that I could buy tickets for the rock concert. I went online in order that I could buy tickets for the rock concert.
He reads e-books in order not to waste money on books. He reads e-books so as not to waste money on books.
Mum told us to be quiet so that we won't wake up our baby brother.
She took a taxi so that she wouldn't be late for work.